Hi, my name is Martin Mayr. I'm Senior Consultant at the Prime Force Group. Who is the Prime Force Group? We are an international IT consultancy enterprise, and we are working in the area of enterprise content management and digital transformation. As part of our daily routine, we are establishing and configuring servers. Servers are running operating systems and a huge number of software packages. One can easily see these are a lot of configuration steps for these individual software packages running on these individual servers, which most of the time has to be done by IT experts. Isn't there a better way? Yes, there is. Configuration management.
Let's first have a closer look on the old-fashioned, traditional way of establishing systems. We have one of these factors which we usually call the human factor, so error-prone because of these human factors. And of course it is time-consuming. You have to first read all the documentation, kind of troubleshooting, and so on. You finally have your environment running, but how did you do it? Often your steps or all the steps to the final end are not reproducible. Usually these tasks are not done by anybody. Persons who are doing it usually have special skills required. Let's now have a look on the advantages of a well-configured CFM environment. Well, first of it is less error-prone. You earn obvious results. Next, and very important also, everyone can deploy, and you can deploy everywhere. And it is time-saving, and not only time-saving, it is also resource-sparing. Deploying is as easy as just pushing a button, and by doing so, every step is reproducible, your final result is reproducible, and of course reusable. So finally you find yourself in a situation where you can release oftener and you can release faster. What are now use cases for AEM setups? First of all, you can deploy whole AEM instances from scratch. Furthermore, you can manage the surrounding operating system and application settings. You can easily plan and execute so-called rolling updates. And at the end, automatic recovery and deployment of stages is possible. But there are not only advantages for AEM especially, no, but also for security reasons. One important issue in terms of security is that no manual changes on the servers are done anymore. Your changes are traceable, they are recorded, so what you get is the so-called four eyes principle. For the communication between the servers, only encrypted protocols are used, and no plain text password in any self-made script anymore. All passwords and credentials are encrypted. At the final end, I want to give you some examples how you could further connect your system. First of all, the implementation or the connection to a central logging instance. Or you could easily integrate it with the ITIL change management. And of course, a monitoring system which automatically detects and recovers system or whole stages, so self-healing would be possible. Interested how it works in real? Well, let me show you an example right now. Set up AEM from scratch. The following 3 steps will be shown. Setting up an author instance from an empty VM, adding an additional publishing instance, and third, changing the version of the Oracle JDK. Have fun!
Curious about configuration management? Visit us on www.primeforce.com. Thanks.